Michael Jacobzak and my co-host here,
Matthew Jacobzak.
And today we're going to be talking about the top 10 fastest growing markets brought to you by usfasttrack.ca. Matt, you can start us off.
Number 10, we have Atlanta, Georgia. This is actually our primary focus market, and some reasons include it's the busiest airport by passengers in the world. It's a leading center for business activity and logistics with 13 Fortune 500 companies headquartered there. 270 GDP and forecasted to grow to 440 billion by 2040.
Perfect. Number 9, San Antonio, Texas. Very diverse economy. They have military presence, health, government civil service, transportation, financial services, oil and gas, and tourism. So if you're looking for a market that has a little bit of everything, this market's got you covered there.
Number 8, we got San Francisco, California. This is the leading financial and culture center of Northern California in the San Francisco Bay Area. It is one of the top tourist destinations of the world. So if you're looking for a tourist destination market and you like to invest where you, or like to travel to where you invest, this is a great market. The market has a strong job outlook led by technology, and they're currently under a structure revamping, going from a suburb looking city into more of a downtown core looking city.
Number 7 on the list is Seattle, Washington. It's the 12th largest economy in the U.S. It also has the Port of Seattle, which is a major gateway to the trading with Asia, and also conducts a lot of cruises to Alaska. It was voted number 1 for smartest city based on its government policies and green economy. And obviously, where we're going in the future is definitely more green, so this is a great little market. It also has 4 of the 5 Fortune 500 companies, Amazon and Starbucks just being a few there.
Number 6, we have Raleigh, North Carolina. Some major industries include technology, healthcare, and education. Big, huge industries with lots of money there. It's a major center for high-tech and biotech research. You know there's lots of money involved there. Forbes has it listed as number 15th in job growth, number 2 in best places for business and careers, and number 1 as safest cities. So if you're looking for a safe, good market that you don't have to worry too much about, this is your market.
And as we know, Canadians are very conservative people, so definitely, and we've been getting a lot of calls on North Carolina there.
Yep.
Number 5, Salt Lake City, Utah. Basically, it's the crossroads of the West. Consists of government, trade, transportation, utilities, professional and business services. They have 1 of the Fortune 500 companies and 2 of the Fortune 1000 companies. Definitely a market to look into.
Number 4, we have Houston, Texas. Great big market, broad industrial base in several sectors, including healthcare. Only New York is home to more big public companies than Houston. They have many culture institutions and exhibits which attract more than 7 visitors annually. Their gross domestic product is $384 billion, which goes to show you it's a vibrant city, and they're going to be doing well in the future. Number 8 in job growth currently in the U.S.
Number 3, we got San Jose, California. Obviously, with this list, we're seeing a lot of trends on the West Coast and definitely Texas. San Jose, known as the capital of Silicon Valley, it's got the largest concentration of high technology engineering, computer, and microprocessing companies. Companies such as eBay, Cisco Systems, Adobe, they're all there. Also major facilities with IBM, Hewlett-Packard. Cost of living is amongst one of the highest in the U.S. Basically, which relates to expensive real estate, high disposable income though with this city. So it's a market that has great potential and a lot of money in it.
Next up, we got number 2, Dallas, Texas, another Texas market. It's the 4th largest metro area in the United States. Has a GDP of $254 billion, another big GDP city. Strong industrial and financial sectors. Dallas-Fort Worth is one of the largest and busiest airports in the world. ExxonMobil is the biggest and most profitable company in the world, which is headquartered here. Big things in Texas, as they say.
Definitely. I think there's like 17 billionaires that live there, so it's definitely
Lots of money.
lots of money
Lots of
too.
money there.
Number one, to top off our list, no surprise here, another Texas city, Austin, Texas. Basically another high-tech capital. It's gross domestic product about 86 billion. University of Texas of Austin produces a lot of the high-tech jobs. It was number one on Forbes' list for jobs. It's sister to basically San Francisco, which is a lot more expensive compared to this market. This market's a little bit smaller, but it's its sister. So if you like San Fran, but you don't want to play with those types of prices, this is a market to take a look at. All the major companies, such as Dell, the federal government, IBM, are headquartered there. Operations with Google, Apple, all the high-tech guys are Facebook. They're all there. So it's a market to definitely look into if you're into high-tech.
Definitely seems like an emerging market for the Texas market. As you can see, all the big markets in the other cities definitely see potential in Austin being not as big yet. So you can definitely see the potential.
Definitely. That concludes our list. As you can see, it's definitely more West Coast trending with just the outcome of where technology and the economy has been driven with jobs lately. It's a market, or these are markets that you can definitely take a look at if you're kind of in the crossroads of where to start. Definitely, I hope this helps out. Matt, anything else?
Good luck with your investing. Any help you guys need, come visit us at usfasttrack.ca. Good luck with all your investing, and we'll see you next week.
Happy investing, guys. Thanks.